Hey guys, welcome back to Single Step English. Today we're going to tackle a word that often raises questions about its pronunciation, callus. Many people wonder whether it's pronounced kay-lus or kal-us. The correct pronunciation is callus. The meaning of callus is an area of thick, hard skin on your hand or on your foot that's caused by rubbing. To help you with the pronunciation, here is a useful guide. Callus. Callus. It's important to remember that the A in callus sounds like the A in cat. So it's callus. Here's a sentence example to help you with the correct pronunciation. After gripping the dumbbells, he got a callus on his palms. Another one, his new shoes caused a callus on the back of his foot. Thanks for tuning in and keep those language questions coming. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. 1, 2. I hope I don't get a callus on my hand. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.